warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay, today we join English class for 9th grade. Still about procedure text. Of course, with me, Nur Ain. Oke, kali ini kita akan belajar teks prosedur dengan membedakan teks prosedur dalam bentuk resep dan teks prosedur dalam bentuk manual. Adapun tujuan pembelajaran pada hari ini adalah setelah melakukan serangkaian kegiatan pembelajaran dengan model problem based learning. 1. Peserta didik mampu membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari dua teks prosedur dalam bentuk resep dan manual. 2. Peserta didik mampu menentukan gambaran umum, informasi rinci, informasi eksplisit implisit, dan makna kata dari suatu teks prosedur dengan baik dan benar. Oke, let's go. Oke, sebelum kita mempelajari tentang teks prosedur dalam bentuk manual dan teks prosedur dalam bentuk resep, now we see the picture. What is this? Have you ever seen this? What is the function of this? Okay, how to operate this? The differences of procedure text in receive and manual. For social function, receive, it is used to describe how something is made in sequence steps. Manual, it is used to describe how something is done in sequence step. Jadi resep di sini bagaimana sesuatu itu dibuat, sedangkan manual bagaimana sesuatu itu dilakukan. For generic structure, receive and manual there are three: the goal, ingredients, and the methods. Jadi yang membedakan di sini adalah the goal. Kalau receive itu mempunyai tujuan bagaimana membuat sesuatu, sedangkan manual mempunyai tujuan bagaimana mengoperasikan sesuatu. For language features, yang membedakan resep dan manual, kalau resep itu memerlukan using at form of time, jadi memerlukan waktu untuk membuat sesuatu. Kemudian using action verbs. How to operate rice cooker? The ingredients: lid, body, handle, switch, power cord, steaming basket, scoop, measuring cup, like indicating warm, like indicating cook, pan, like no. Okay, now how to cook rice in rice cooker? First, measure rice with the measuring cup, then rinse the rice thoroughly using other container. Second, put the rinsed rice in the pan and add water to the recommended scale or to your personal taste. Third, soak the rice in water at least for 30 minutes. Fourth, let the pan into body. Make sure the pan seals properly. The fifth, close the lid firmly. 6. Plug in and press the switch light indicating cook will be on. The cooking will start immediately. 7. When the rice is cooked, the switch will move off to the keep warm and the light indicating warm will be on. After the switch mop up, leave the lid closed for at least 15 minutes to steam the rice fully. Scoop and mix the rice well. And the last, unblock. Now we see that procedure text in manual is how to operate something. Activity 1. The differences between receive and manual. How to cook something. How to operate something. Receive. Manual. Activity 2. Menentukan gambaran umum, informasi rinci, informasi eksplisit, implisit, dan makna kata dari suatu teks prosedur. Read the text and answer the following questions. Jadi, kalian boleh menuliskan di buku kalian atau menggunakan smartphone. After finishing, share in WA. Oke, ini adalah teks fried rice. First, what is the first step of the text? Second, how many plates of the rice we need? 3 serving size. Third, how many eggs do we need for 2 plates of the rice? Fourth, how much vegetables oil do we need? 2 serving size. And the last, what will we do after vegetable oil on frying pan? Oke, dalam pembelajaran hari ini, jika kalian mendapatkan kesulitan dalam belajar, silakan chat di WA saya. I think it's enough for today. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.